Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 12.3-inch IPS touchscreen special for Toyota FJ Cruiser. Okay, you can check this front panel, and head unit will come with special harness. This ISO harness, ISO connector, this power and the speaker. And this is for steering wheel controls. This is K1, K2, and the GND wire. GND, K1, and this K2. Okay. It will come with three USB cable. There are two USB connector on back of head unit. This connector, and this have USB cable, three USB, and come with this GPS antenna. And this external microphone, and this screws, this audio cable, connect back. Okay, first let me introduce head unit. You can check this Belsee logo. You can choose time, choose logo, speed, Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head units. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. With same editor you can edit this color. With blue, gray, and any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, all apps are here. It's built-in Bluetooth A2DP and radio, music, Google Maps, and Play Store. You can download applications from Play Store, YouTube, and steering wheel controls. This is Z-Link app for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, already built in the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Okay, choose the logo. Let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi. Connect to Wi-Fi. You can check PX6 Android 10 system. Check the settings, and you can check total 64GB. Okay, firstly let me introduce Bluetooth. Connect to Wi-Fi. You can check our website is belsee.com, belse.com. If you have any more questions, you can visit our website to contact to us. This USB driver. You can play music from USB. This amplifier. Okay, and you can play video from USB. It supports 4K video. Let me choose full screen. Okay. Let me show the Bluetooth. For 0. And please enable Bluetooth from your phone. Enable Bluetooth and search. Okay, connected. Show Bluetooth icon. You can make phone call. Okay, it works with free phone call. Okay. Show connected, you can disconnect and reconnect again. Okay, it works with Bluetooth stream music from your phone. Okay, this is our website. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.